you know, hi, my name is SaMyah. I subscribe my channel. You know, invite me to like, comment, subscribe, post notifications, and subscribe when I post a new video. Also follow my social media down in the description on the screen. So today I just made a title. I don't know what the title is going to be, but I know it might be Glow Up With Me for 2022. So right now I am on the way to do my hair. I'm gonna show you guys my hair after it's done because it's going to be a surprise. So stay tuned for that. And right now I gotta go, so I'll see you guys when I do my hair.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Until my will runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby,
Miss God did body book for my girl period. I just came back home just to get something to go back out because I did order some food earlier and I think it's ready. I don't know yet, but I just gonna go to see and take some pictures. If I don't like the pictures that I take outside, I'ma just take some selfies when I come back home. So yeah, I look so good there. Book for my girl period. I just come back home. I don't finish eating everything, and right now I just doing TikToks, watching TikTok, taking pictures and stuff like that because I feel so good right now. Y'all don't even understand, but I don't even know what to talk about. I might record a video today also, so look out for that. I've been trying to like post 2 times a week because I feel like I'm being more consistent for you guys. And I'm gonna show you guys, I had organized the trays. I got the trays and the jewelry box to organize the stuff from when it wasn't organized, as you seen in my last video. I'll show you guys that right now. This is how my dresser thing looks so far. It looks good, to be honest. I like it. Hey besties, so it is Wednesday, January 12th, and today I'm supposed to be doing my nails. I don't know if I'm doing them today, but I know that my package came for my crocs. This is my croc charms, the luxury croc charms, so I'm gonna decorate it for you guys on camera when I get them, because I'm supposed to be going to the post office today. So if I don't do my nails, I still have something to show you guys, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm doing my nails or when I'm decorating my crocs. Yeah, so I'm back home. As y'all can see, I did do my nails. How they look bomb as hell. And right now I'm on the floor because I'm about to go decorate my cracks because my crack charms did come, so that's more content for you guys because I did do my nails and I do have my charms. So yeah, I'm about to decorate my charms for you guys and I'll show you guys after. I might do a separate video of my crack collection. If y'all want to, just comment down below. And yeah, and let me tell y'all something before I even start this here. So I did my toes and I asked for French tape and she just gave me all white. At first I was going to get the ones to match my nails, but she said they ain't had the colors. But it's my thing, if they ain't had the colors, how did I do my nails? It's not adding up. Then my toes are just plain white. It's fine or whatever, but I did want French tape, but it's whatever. Let me stop talking, let's go decorate our cracks.
So let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride all night, working with a little sun. I wanna ride.
So I just finished. Oh, my battery dying already. So I just finished and this is how my cracks look. Some of these are not from the crack charms that I got today. Some was from the States, but this is how they look. The purple and the black have most of the charms because these are like my favorites, and these just I have a little bit because I don't have as much of those, and those just blank right now because I don't know what to put on those. But yeah, this is how they look. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and put on post notifications notified when I post a new video. Also follow my social media in the description on the screen. Love guys. Mwah.